Namaste and good afternoon to you all. My dear students, I hope all of you are very fine there. Okay? Today it's me, Meera Basnev, as a social study teacher. And today we are going to discuss about a topic of grade 4 social study. Okay? And that is all about my neighbors. Okay, students? Okay, fine then. Okay, before moving towards lesson, let's know what we are going to do today in this class. Alright? So, today, firstly, we will discuss about the word neighbors. Okay? And after that, we will also see a chart. Okay? Chart about neighbors. About maybe the importance of neighbors, right? After that, we will go for match them. Okay, one activity we will do, match the following. Like you have seen something I have already pasted here, and one side there is nothing. Okay, but later on we will fill up this side also. Yes, and after that I will ask you some questions also. Okay, so you have to be ready for that. So, to give answer, what should you do? You should be very much careful. Yes, you are in front of your television set, you are listening to me, and you have to listen very attentively, very carefully. Okay, so that you will be able to give my answers. Okay, and lastly I will provide you some of the assignment also. Alright, so now let's start today's class. Okay, before starting today's lesson, I would like to remind you something. Okay, before neighbors, what comes? You might have read in grade 3 too. Okay, for your revision, let me tell you, in grade 3, you have read about my family, right? Okay, all of you be ready and think. What is family? This is revision work for you. Okay, as you have already read it in grade 3. Okay, have you remembered? Okay, very fine. Then let me help you. Okay, the people who are living with us in our home and share the kitchen, they are called as our family members. Okay, now today we are discussing about the neighbors. Okay, then do you have any idea what may be the neighbors? Who may be the neighbors? Your grandfather is your neighbors? Your brother is your neighbors? Do you think so? Okay, that is not. Yes, then let's talk more about neighbors. Who are neighbors? Okay, my children, if you have seen around your house, what can you see there? Do you see any other's house there? Yes, why not? Obviously, isn't it? Around your house, you can see many other houses and many other people around you. So, what can we understand is that neighbors are those people who are living around us, and they are very important. Now, are you clear who are neighbors? Okay, let me repeat it again for you. Okay, neighbors are those people who are living around your house. There might be many neighbors. Obviously, yes, isn't it? Because we are human beings. We cannot live alone like animals do. Yes, we need some neighbors, some friends to live, to pass our life. Yes, for that, around our house, many people are living. They are called as our neighbors. Okay. I think now you are clear about the word neighbors here, right? Okay, then are they important for you? What is your answer? Do you think those people who are living around you, are they important? Yes, why not? They are very important in our life. Okay, how? Do you give any reason for it? Okay, your reason might be correct. Okay, so to make you more understand about the importance of neighbors, I have already said before also, we will be going to discuss about a chart here. So let's move towards it. Okay. So my dear students, here in the chart you can see neighbors. The topic is written there, but here many pictures are also there. Okay, you can see the picture and you can also realize, you can also think why the neighbors are important to us. Alright, so let's move towards first picture here. Can you see the picture, this one picture? Yes, okay. What might be going on there? Okay, you are very good, okay. By the picture we can see here, we can think in a neighborhood, yes, there is going to be some function there. That may be the marriage, right? And many people are there, they are working, they are helping there, right? So by this picture, what we can say, okay, neighbor help in our family function. Okay, student, be careful and listen. Yeah, I have already told you at the end there will be some question answer session also, so that you have to be ready for it, right? So here from this first picture we can understand that our neighbors are important for us because they help us in our family functions. Family functions means like some festivals, marriage, pujas, isn't it? Sometime it may be at your house. During that time, only your family members cannot do all the works, right? So during such time, who comes to help you? Do I come to help you? No, obviously not, isn't it? That time your neighbors come to help you. So that neighbors are important for us. Are you clear? Okay, very good. Now let's move towards next picture here. Second picture, it is of what? What are they doing? What work are they doing? Okay, they are doing work in the field, right? Some of the women you can see there, they are planting rice. Yes, they are doing agricultural work. So listen, okay, in this work, neighbors are very important as they help us. Okay, some of the agricultural work is very difficult to complete with the help of only family members. In such situation, what happens? We need help of our neighbors. So in the picture it is shown that many women, they are working, some men are also working there. They might not be only the family members, right? Okay, they are the neighbors. So what we have to understand is that neighbors are important because sometimes they help us in our agricultural work. Right, students? Have you seen such work in your neighborhood? Many neighbors, they gather together and they work in the field. They exchange their help. Okay, very good then. Now, there is another picture also you can see, right? So, it is the picture here. What are they doing? Guess it. Are they playing with the mud? Do you think? Are they playing with the mud? No, obviously not, isn't it? These children and even adult people are also here. They are guiding the children. okay, and this is not their family, okay, this is not their family, and even this is not their own garden. What are they doing? Where are they? Okay, let me tell you, this might be some bare land in your neighborhood. Bare land, do you understand? The land where there is no plants, no green plants, okay. So, in that bare land, these all children and even the adult people of a neighborhood, they are gathered together, and what are they doing? They are planting trees. Yes, they are doing plantation. Okay, so you have to understand, even neighbors can be helpful for such work also, such community work, social work. Okay, as you know, plants, green plants, they are very important for us. Yes, without green plants, maybe we cannot live also, because we cannot get the oxygen. Do you know? Yeah, you know it, isn't it? So here, from this picture, we can understand that neighbors help to plant the trees in our neighborhood, so that the environment of our neighborhood will be nice, fresh, healthy. Okay, are you clear till now? Okay, then let's move towards next picture here. What can you see in this picture? Can you tell me? Can you guess? Okay, your guess is right. Here some people are gathered and they are cleaning the temple might be there. Okay, in a neighborhood, in your neighborhood also, there might be some temple, some public places, right? And who will take care of the public places? Who will take care? We ourselves should take care of it, right? So here also some neighbors, they are gathered together and they are cleaning the place, right? If alone we go there and if we started to clean, it might be very much difficult for us. It may take long hours also, right? So that some neighbors, see, 4-5 neighbors are there, they are being together and they are cleaning the place. So, what you can understand is that neighbors even help to keep our neighborhood clean. If our neighborhood, the place where we are living, that is clean, what happens then? Then we can be fit and fine, healthy, isn't it? Okay, very good. And there is next picture also. Can you see what is going to be happen here? What happened in the picture here? Oh, it is not good, but sometime such condition also may happen, right? Here in the picture you can see one house is there. It is what? It has got fire. Yes? Okay, it is very much dangerous, isn't it? There is fire in the house, in a society, in a community, in a neighborhood. Yes, and down, see there, so many people are there. Some are helping, bringing water, isn't it? Some might have called to this firefighter there. Yeah, all the people of neighborhood, they have been together here. Why? To put off that fire, so that they can protect the house and even the people inside house. Yes, my dear students, sometime in our neighborhood also such accident may happen. Yeah, during that time, who comes to help us? People who are living very far away, they come and help us? No, obviously not, isn't it? Those people who are living nearby us, they first come to help us. Yes, so the neighbor comes to help us. So this picture also indicates the same thing. In this condition, how important are the neighbors? If there were no neighbors, then what happened? The fire cannot be put off, isn't it? Then there may be many destruction of the fire due to the fire. right? So from this picture you have to understand that neighbor help us in our problems, not only like this fire, like other problem also we may get sometime, right? Like sometime we may get sick, or some of our family members also can get sick during the night time, isn't it? It is not possible to take him or her to hospital only by the family members, or right that time your family members might not have money also. Yes, during such time whom we can go and ask for help? We can go and ask for help to our close neighbor who is very much near to us, who is nearest to us. Yes, and during such time obviously our neighbor will be helping us, right? Okay, sometime we may get other type of accident also. In that time also they can help us, right? Okay, my dear students, with all this discussion, now I hope you have understood how important are neighbor for us. Yes, so neighbors are very, very important. Okay, then what should we do to our neighbors? There are our also duty. Okay, we should also help our neighbors, then only they will help us. If we do not help, if we be very much rude, if we fight with our neighbors, do you think they will come to help us whenever we have problem? No, obviously not. They do not come to help us, right? So every time whenever we meet our neighbors, whenever we talk to our neighbors, that time we should be very careful. Okay, we have to behave very nicely to our neighbors. Yes, so to make this more clear, I have got here match them. Okay, in your neighbor there can be neighbors of different age. Aren't they of different age? Yes, obviously, why not? Some are like of age of your grandfather, right? Some are like of age of your father, mother, isn't it? Uncle, aunt. Some of maybe of your same age. Yeah, some may be smaller than your age, right? So how to behave them? How to talk to them? Okay, what do you call them? Okay, I hope all of you know your neighbor's name, right? If not, if some do not know, then you can ask to your parents. Okay, they will tell you your neighbor's name. Okay, if you know your neighbor's name, then do you call them by their names? Will that be fine? No, isn't it? It might be fine for small children than you, but what about the elders? Do you call your elderly people of your neighborhood with their names? No, obviously not. You should not do like that. Okay, so here you are using many words to talk to them, right? So I have also managed here something. Okay, so see here students, I have some cards in my hands and some words are written here, and you have to match this word with these words which I have already pasted on the whiteboard, right? So here in the first, what can you do? The neighbors of your grandfather's age. Who is called? Whom? How do you call him? How do you talk to him? Okay, do you call him what? Uncle? Uncle is the right one. The neighbor who is of your grandfather's age, do you call him uncle? Yes? No, obviously not. This is not the right word, right? So what will be the right one? Okay, let me show you, okay? See here what is written? Grandfather or just father. Okay, so if you have to talk with a neighbor who is of your grandfather's age, then you can call them as grandfather or father, right? Very good. Okay, then let's paste it here. Fine? Okay, then let's move towards second. Okay, what is here? neighbor who is of the age of your grandmother. What to call? What to call for him? Think once. Do you call her uncle again? No, obviously not. Yeah? What to call then? Okay, very good, very good. You can call her as grandmother or mother. Right? Very fine, very good. Okay. Now, let's move towards the next one. Okay. There is a neighbor who is of same as your age. What to call? What to call? Think, okay? Do you call him or her as brother or sister? Is this a right word for them? Do you think? A neighbor who is of same age as yours. What to call then? Okay, I have got a right answer here. I hope you also have got the right answer over there, right? Okay, what can be this? Can be the answer? Okay, those people of your neighborhood who are of your same age, they can be called as friends. Okay, very good, very good. Now, let's move towards the next, okay? Neighbor who is of your father's age. What to call? What to call him? Okay, there was answer before I have showed you, yeah? Okay, if there are any neighbors who are of your father's age, you can call them as uncle, right? Very good. Okay then. Now we have two more left, right? So, what is the one? There is neighbor who is of your mother's age. What do you call? What do you call? This one? Brother or sister? Obviously not. Then let's go for next, okay? What is here? Okay, this is aunt. Very good, yes? The person or the neighbor who are of your mother's age, you can call her as aunt, right? Very good. Okay, now the final one is there. Okay, some people are there around your neighborhood who are more than of your age, bigger than of you, than of your age, bigger than you. Who are they? They are brother or sister. Okay, very good, very good. You all are very correct over here. Very nice. Thank you, my students. Okay, now let's do the revision here. Okay, in the beginning we have gone through the topic who are neighbors. Do you remember or not? Yes, very good. After that we came for the importance of neighbors, right? Okay, then after summarise them we have done here. How to talk to our neighbors who might be of different age. This is very important, okay? If you talk in such way, then what happened? They will be very much happy with you. Yes, there will be good relation with you. Okay then, for today this much. Next time in next class, I will be there again. Till that time, stay happy, safe and healthy. Okay, have a good day.